We are at a point in humanity's history where science has helped us so much in our evolution. We have knowledge at our fingertips, and yet there seems to be a kind of a disconnect. And I think Dr. Tiller, more than anyone else, says they're complementary pathways to knowing. You can have science and you can have spirit. They're not antagonistic at all. Each has its protocols and each has its outcomes. And his science, more than anything, really combines the two seamlessly and with data. So this book really is a way to bridge the spans of knowledge from science that we respect, that we know, and bridge over to the inner human domains, who we really are as phenomenal, conscious beings, right to spirit. Because spirit is our inheritance, and he shows us that. He shows what we are really capable of. And his work and intentions opens the pathway. If he can change materials by his intention, what can man really do?